Do you feel that burning sensation creeping up your chest after a meal, making it impossible to relax or sleep? Acid reflux is a common condition that affects millions, turning the simple joy of eating into a painful daily struggle. Most people rush to the pharmacy to buy antacids, believing that their stomach is producing way too much strong acid. But what if everything you have been told about acid reflux is actually the complete opposite of the biological truth? Today, we are going to explore why suppressing your stomach acid might actually be making your condition significantly worse over time. We will dive deep into the root causes of GERD and discover natural remedies that work with your body, not against it. From ancient herbs to essential nutrients, nature provides powerful tools to restore balance and heal your digestion without harsh chemicals. By the end of this video, you will have a comprehensive plan to tackle acid reflux and reclaim your quality of life. Let us start by understanding the mechanism inside your stomach and identifying the real culprit behind that burning sensation. At the top of your stomach, there is a crucial valve called the lower esophageal sphincter, or LES for short. This valve acts like a gatekeeper, designed to close tightly after food passes through to keep stomach contents down. For this valve to close properly, your stomach needs to be highly acidic, with a pH level between 1 and 3. When the environment in your stomach becomes too alkaline or lacks sufficient acid, the valve receives a signal to relax. This loose valve allows even a small amount of acid to splash up into the esophagus, causing severe burning pain. As we age, our bodies naturally produce less stomach acid, which explains why reflux becomes more common as we get older. Taking antacids neutralizes the little acid you have, which might provide temporary relief, but ultimately keeps the valve open longer. This creates a dangerous dependency loop where the treatment actually perpetuates the underlying root cause of your digestive issues. So, how do we fix this naturally? We need to restore acidity and heal the tissues with 5 specific nutrients. The first and most direct way to restore your stomach acidity is by using a supplement called betaine hydrochloride. Betaine hydrochloride works by naturally increasing the level of hydrochloric acid in your stomach, helping to lower the pH. Once the acidity is restored to its optimal level, the sensor in the valve triggers it to close tightly again. With sufficient acid, your body can also break down proteins and absorb minerals much more effectively than it did before. However, you should avoid betaine if you currently have stomach ulcers, as adding acid to an open wound causes pain. This brings us to our second natural remedy, a powerful root that has been used for centuries: fresh ginger. Ginger is incredibly effective because it acts as a strong anti-inflammatory agent for your entire digestive tract system. It helps to soothe the irritated mucosal lining of the esophagus and stomach, reducing the pain associated with acid reflux. Ginger also accelerates gastric emptying, ensuring that food does not sit in your stomach for too long and ferment. Drinking a cup of warm ginger tea or chewing on a slice of fresh ginger before meals can work wonders. The third essential element for fixing your digestion is replenishing your gut with healthy bacteria, known as probiotics. Your gut microbiome plays a massive role in the nervous system, which directly controls the function of the LES valve. When you have an overgrowth of bad bacteria, it creates excessive gas and pressure that pushes acid up the esophagus. Taking a high-quality probiotic helps crowd out these harmful microbes and restores the natural rhythm of your digestive system. You can get probiotics from supplements or naturally through fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and kefir in your diet. Number 4 is a household staple that is surprisingly effective for immediate relief: apple cider vinegar, or ACV. Apple cider vinegar is acidic, so it mimics the natural environment of your stomach and helps lower the pH quickly. Mix 1 tablespoon of ACV in a glass of water and drink it through a straw to protect your teeth. This simple drink taken just before a meal can prime your stomach for digestion and prevent the valve from opening. The fifth and final supplement recommendation is a specific form of zinc known as zinc L-Carnosine. This unique compound is clinically proven to heal the mucosal lining of the stomach and repair damage from ulcers. It also has significant antibacterial properties, helping to fight against H. pylori, a bacteria often linked to gastritis. By healing the lining, you reduce sensitivity and inflammation, allowing your stomach to handle acid without pain or discomfort. Supplements are powerful, but they must be combined with the right lifestyle changes to achieve permanent long-term results. Start by adding raw cabbage to your diet, as it contains vitamin U, which is incredible for healing ulcers. You should also try to reduce refined grains and sugars, as these feed bad bacteria and cause excessive bloating. Do not be afraid of high-quality sea salt. Your body needs the chloride in salt to produce hydrochloric acid. Stress management is also vital, because chronic stress shuts down digestion and prevents the vagus nerve from working correctly. When you are stressed, your body stays in fight-or-flight mode, which stops acid production and keeps the valve open. Practice mindful eating by chewing your food thoroughly and avoiding distractions, allowing your stomach time to prepare for digestion. Try to avoid drinking large amounts of water during your meals, as this can dilute the concentration of stomach acid. Sleeping on your left side can also help mechanically prevent acid from rising due to the shape of the stomach. By combining these natural remedies with smart lifestyle adjustments, you address the root cause rather than just masking symptoms. Imagine a life where you can enjoy your favorite foods and sleep soundly without the fear of heartburn returning. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself when you provide it with the right environment and nutrients. Thank you for watching video. Subscribe for more natural health solutions and take control of your well-being starting today.